Hello everyone, it's your student from MCL, Yashlene Medina, and hereby to discuss about my infographics explaining about ocean acidification. What is ocean acidification? It is carbon dioxide plus hydrogen creating H2CO3 or carbonic acid. How do I say so? CO2 is faster created than to be absorbed. To easily understand, let's proceed to the process. Excess carbon dioxide will absorb by the water, formulating ocean acidification. So what causes ocean acidification? Deforestation can cause the carbon that makes up the organic tissues is released, the carbon dioxide that will absorb by the water, causing ocean acidification. Burning fossil fuels is one of the major causes, as creating more carbon dioxide accumulates in the atmosphere, causing global warming and absorbed by the water. What are the effects of ocean acidification? It is the mortality of reef animals. Loss of marine life and ecosystem would be the effect of ocean acidification. Organism shells and skeletons made from calcium carbonate to dissolve. The more acidic the ocean, the faster the shells dissolve. How to prevent ocean acidification? Protection from ocean acidification. You must learn how to use renewable energy, protect forests, reduce plastic, stop using fossil fuels, lastly, save marine life and habitat. Let's all save and preserve our ocean treasure. Yay! Thank you for listening. I hope you learned something.